Welcome to the Tintin YouTube channel. Today, we'll take you on an underwater adventure and introduce you to various sea animals. Let's get started.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Hermit crab.
Hi, I am hermit crab. Hermit crab starts with the letter H. Did you know hermit crabs use empty shells for protection? They have to switch shells as they grow, finding bigger ones each time. In the wild, they can live up to 30 years, but in captivity, it's often less.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Fin whale.
Hi, I am fin whale. Fin whale starts with the letter F. Did you know fin whales are the second largest whale species? They primarily feed on small fish, squid, and krill. They can swim up to 23 miles per hour, earning them the nickname greyhounds of the sea.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Dugong.
Hi, I am dugong. Dugong starts with the letter D. They're like the manatee's cousins. They live in warm coastal waters, especially in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They can live up to 70 years in the wild.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Orca.
Hi, I am Orca. Orca starts with the letter O. Orca actually the largest members of the dolphin family. They can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh around 10 tons. They have a diverse diet, including fish, seals, and sometimes even whales.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Sea otter.
Hi, I am sea otter. Sea otter starts with the letter S. They're known for their playful behavior and holding hands while they sleep. They primarily eat sea urchins, clams, crabs, and other small marine animals. They're commonly found along the coasts of the northern and eastern North Pacific Ocean.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Shrimp.
Hi, I am shrimp. Shrimp starts with the letter S. They can range from tiny sizes of about half an inch to larger ones around 12 inches. They mostly eat algae, plankton, and small particles of organic matter. They can be found in both salt water and fresh water.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Flying fish.
Hi, I am flying fish. Flying fish starts with the letter F. They use their large, wing-like fins to glide. They can glide up to 200 meters to escape predators. They can swim at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour before they leap out of the water.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Walrus.
Hi, I am walrus. Walrus starts with the letter W. Their long tusks are really impressive. They use their tusks for pulling themselves onto ice and for defense. They primarily eat clams, mollusks, and other marine organisms.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Puffer's fish.
Hi, I am puffer fish. Puffer F-I-S-H starts with the letter P. Did you know it does that to scare off predators? A puffer fish is a small to medium-sized fish that inflates its body like a balloon by swallowing water or air.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Manatees.
Hi, I am manatees. Manatees starts with the letter M. Manatees are also called sea cows because they graze on sea plants. They seem so peaceful and slow-moving. Did you know they can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes?
What kind of sea animal is that?
Polar bear.
Hi, I am polar bear. Polar bear starts with the letter P.
Polar bear. Polar bear.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Penguin.
Hi, I am penguin. Penguin starts with the letter P.
Penguin.
What kind of sea animal is that?
Abalone.
Hi, I am abalone. Abalone starts with the letter A.
Abalone. Coral reef. Coral reef. Moray eel. Moray eel. Whale. Whale. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Dolphin. Dolphin. Starfish. Starfish. Tuna. Tuna. Crab. Crab. Shark. Shark. Stingray. Stingray. Manta ray. Manta ray. Sea snail. Sea snail. Seal. Sea snail. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Oysters. Oysters. Seahorse. Seahorse. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Octopus. Octopus. Clownfish. Clownfish. Swordfish. Swordfish. Squid. Squid. We've discovered many marine creatures today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.